Hi, everyone. We all know that one of the most important things we can all do on a daily basis is to create assets. Things like new policy documents, customer contracts, financial records, or financial information and presentations, and the list goes on and on. But the two things that can hold us back from really true efficiencies and just getting the job done is first finding the information. Information could be scattered across multiple repositories, and trying to find the right files within each one can be difficult. The second thing that holds us back or lengthens the time to create the asset is just creating it itself out of all the mountains of information that we found. So let's talk about how we can solve that. Using Shinydocs Pro Search, we can do a quick search for something to do with acquisitions. Let's say I have to create a PowerPoint for the board about acquisitions and why we do them. I'm going to do a simple search for acquisitions. Here's the file I need, or one of the files I need, but it's 70 pages long. I don't have time to do that, to read through all this and then get the presentation completed by the end of the day or the end of the week. And I also know that there's another document here about making successful acquisitions that we've done in the past, used, and it's worked really quite well. So with Shinydocs Pro and using our AI assistant, we can do some really cool things. We can make this really efficient by simply asking AI to give us the information that we're looking for to create the asset. So I'm going to type in a real quick, easy prompt using just natural language. I'm asking these to use these two files and create a high-level presentation format that I can use to present to the board. So what Shinydocs does, and Shinydocs with AI, is it's going to read these files for me and give me a really clear outline of building my presentation. So I can read through it. I can use it directly if I want to just copy and paste things into slides, but I probably want to just, review it, make sure that it sounds good and it's really giving me the information that I want. And one of the things I've noticed is I do want a little more information. I want some more refinement to it. So I'll just keep asking it more questions. Let's ask it to provide more information about financial projections and the valuation process. Wonderful. Again, AI has done the heavy lifting for me. It's read through the files. It's pulled out things like the financial projections, the valuation process, giving me some examples. It's giving me a lot of really rich information that I can use and feel confident in presenting to the board. And as easy as that is, all I have to do now is copy the information that I want, move it over to my presentation that I'm going to build for my meeting with the board, and I'm done. Quick review, maybe send it to my manager, make sure they're happy with it. All super simple, very quickly. I've taken days worth of work and really squished it down to about 20 minutes, maybe an hour, and I can get on with my day and start doing more things. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.